There's Charlie and Odo working on the valves. Extend that one line before we bury it. So I'll have to dig it back up. Charlie went down to his work and picked up a new hydrant. Using the pieces off this one, we'll rebuild this one before we use it down by the barn. And he picked up some rocks so we don't have to take what we have here. It wasn't very expensive. Tries to get a repair of the pipe first, where it was leaking. Then I put the new valve in. Charlie got a good start on it, but as usual, we didn't remember everything we needed, and we thought we had stuff we didn't have. So this project will have to be continued at a later date, and I think I'll go move some wood chips now. Well, I'm getting low on chips. Yeah, I'm filling up some spots that are a little bit low. The stuff with less leaves in it's a lot easier to spread. Stuff with the leaves in it makes good compost, so a lot drier stuff here. Well, there it is. I'm out of chips again. Hopefully they decide they need to drop some off before it gets too wet out here. It makes a big difference having these chips. This whole place is clay, and once it gets wet, the tires stick to the mud, and your boots do, and it's a muddy mess. And it's that season again. I appreciate you watching. I'll catch you next time.